In this video, I'll show you how to install fonts in Affinity Designer in 2026. First, download the font you want to use. Most fonts come as a zip file, so make sure you extract it first. If you're on Windows, right-click the font file and choose Install or Install for all users. If you're on Mac, double-click the font file and press Install Font in FontBook. Once the font is installed on your system, open Affinity Designer. If it was already open, restart the app so the font shows up correctly. Now select the Text tool, click on your canvas, and open the Font drop-down menu. Scroll or search for the font you just installed and select it. Your font is now ready to use in Affinity Designer for logos, designs, and layouts. And that's it. That's how you install fonts in Affinity Designer in 2026. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick design tutorials.